Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you are new here, welcome. On this channel we share one little spark of life in each and every video. And in today's video I'm going to be giving you step by step probably the easiest Halloween makeup tutorial I've pretty much ever done. Is this Minnie Mouse inspired makeup using really basic makeup products. As you are watching, if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing. So the last time I checked, I had around 930 subscribers. That is a lot of eyeballs. Thank you so much if you are subscribed, and if you're new, yeah, like I said, hit that subscribe button or consider hitting that subscribe button. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we do hang out together. Every Monday and Friday, we unbox subscription boxes, we do things, we go places. One day, I hope that we go places together. And every Wednesday, we do this, we talk everything Disney. So, all set? Ready when you are, CB. Let's get started on the eyebrows. I am going to just go in with a pencil and then an eyebrow gel. I'm just sort of filling in, darkening in my eyebrows a little bit. I'm not going to overarch them or anything like that. It's just to darken them and sort of set them in place. Okay, so I genuinely don't understand my eyebrows. I know that eyebrows are supposed to be like sisters and not identical twins, but this one always looks pretty good. And then this one looks like it's slamming its door and yelling, "Shut up, you're not my real mom. You can't tell me what to do." Like I don't know, I can never get them perfectly. We're going to get started on the eyes, and really I'm just using two colors for the eyes because Minnie only has two colors on her eyelids. So she has just a basic, like her mousy color, like her skin color, and then she has blue eyeshadow. The one that I am using, the shade that I'm using, has a bit of like a gold tint to it. But if you don't have one with a bit of a gold tint to it, that's okay. And I'm going in with a fluffy brush with the blue, and usually I would not do this, but since it is Minnie Mouse, I am going to put it over my entire lower lid. Alright, so I'm just going to continue this process on both sides, equally going one side to the other, to the other, to the other, just to build it up to the intensity that I would like. I would recommend that while you do this, you do one side, then the other, and sort of like reverse it. Don't just do one eye and then go to the other, because it might be hard to mimic that shade intensity if you do your shadow one eye at a time. And because of my eye shape, I have decided to take the blue shade a little bit over where, like over the crease of my eye. As you can see, I'll zoom you in, but just so that the color really shows, because here you can see the color, and I'm going to do a better job in a bit of blending it out, but here you can barely make out that color. So I'm going to go in to line my entire lash line with a black eyeliner. Now you can use eyeshadow, you can use a kohl pencil, a liquid liner, gel liner, whatever you would like. So what I did to get this on my eyes, I went in first with a liquid eyeliner and I went just very lightly over the lash line, just sort of darken that lash line. And then I went in with a gel liner and really darkened the line a little higher than the lash line. So that's it for the eyes for now. Now I'm going to put on the rest of my face, just a normal foundation concealer sort of thing. Set with powder, unless you have really dry skin, and then you may not need to. Now I'm going to go back into my liner and wing out slightly. It's not going to be a massive wing, but just a little like flick of a wing out my eyes, and put a little black eyeliner down at the bottom. I'll dig back into that blue shade and just really lightly shade it into the lower lash line. Time for a bit of blush, and I'm not going to go my usual like swooped up to lift my cheekbone sort of thing. I'm just going to pop it on right in the center. So it's really bright, but I will buff it in. But keeping the color just on the center of my cheeks, on the apple of my cheeks. Time for lashes. And now for Minnie Mouse's red lips. One, you may or may not want to line your lips, not necessarily to overline, just line it with a nude lip liner. That way it'll help sort of like, it'll help kind of keep the lip color in so it won't bleed out. Two, depending on what you are doing with the makeup, a matte lipstick is going to last longer than a sheer or a gloss or like a semi-liquid lipstick. It'll definitely last longer if you're eating, drinking, etc. But it may not be all that comfortable. So what you can do is take a little chapstick, like a little lip balm, put it underneath your lipstick, and then layer the lipstick on top of it. That will not only make your lipstick last a bit longer, but it's going to make it wear a bit easier. It's going to be a bit more comfortable on your lips. There's really one thing left, and you may think that this looks a bit campy, a bit costumey. Really and truly, without this last thing on your face, you don't really and truly look like Minnie Mouse. You just sort of look like 1980s aesthetic sort of thing. And that thing is the nose. So I have done the Minnie Mouse nose with black eyeshadow. I've done it with a liquid eyeliner. I'm going back into that gel pot pomade, and I'm not going to do the entire nose. I'm just going to do the little tip of the nose just to sort of give it a Minnie Mouse black nose appearance. And since her nose is sort of oval shaped, I will do my best to do that little like oval shape, a little nudge to Minnie Mouse's nose. I'm a mouse, duh. So I did say that that was really all you needed for Minnie Mouse, but I feel like I am missing something. What could it be? That's it. Polka dots and mini ears. So that is it for our Minnie Mouse inspired, really quick Halloween makeup tutorial. If you would like to see more step-by-step makeup tutorials, I will leave them in the description box down below so you can binge watch those. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell on your way out. It would mean the absolute world to me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!